In this tutorial, we're going to take a close look at the 8 Q-Link controllers. Above each of them is an OLED which displays the parameter being adjusted. In mixer mode, I'm using this Q-Link to adjust the gain of the drums, and if I hold shift, I get much more fine control. But they're not just for adjusting the mixer. If I hold the knob button, there's many different modes which display different parameters on the Q-Links. For instance, in screen mode, the Q-Links will follow the most important parameters on the screen, such as the 6 main macros in Hype, or if I press the knob button again, they will display the other 8 parameters, such as delay, cutoff, and reverb. In every mode I go to, the Q-Links automatically update. And as well as working on the standalone plugin instruments, it also works on the plugin effects. So now that I've navigated to this reverb, you can see that it's updated with room size, time, and mix. However, if I press knob again and go to project mode, you can see that I've mapped some key parameters such as a filter cutoff and some EQ kill switches to these Q-Links. To assign these yourself, simply go into the menu, select knobs, and then you can see that you can assign all 16 Q-Links yourself. You can assign these to almost any parameter inside Force.